Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG0831OA in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. On its temples are protective bags to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a cat eye shape. On its temple, you'll find the Gucci logo and the Gucci green and red coloring, and the temple tips are also black. This is the inside of the frame. On its bottom right lens, you'll also find the Gucci logo in gold. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci case, although color and style may vary. A Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is carrying. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.